Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to align objects on a visualization screen and organize the layout more efficiently. As you can see, the objects on the screen are currently not aligned, and before we align them, we can also make sure that the objects have consistent dimensions. So for example, let's compare these two lamp objects right here. By selecting the first lamp, I can see its dimensions in the properties panel under position. In this case, the lamp has a width of 85 and the height of 82. I can then select the second lamp and manually set its dimensions to the same values. So let's do that right now. Width of 85 and height 82. Once I do that, both objects have matching sizes and look more consistent on the screen. Now let's align the objects. To select multiple objects, click the first object, hold down the Shift key, and then click the remaining objects. With all objects selected, right-click and choose Alignment. From the Alignment menu, you can then choose the type of alignment you want to apply. For this example, I'll select Align Top. Immediately, I'll select Objects are aligned alongside their top edge. Now let's adjust the spacing between them. Notice that the vertical space between some objects is larger than others, and to distribute them evenly, I'll right-click again, then go to Alignment and choose Make Horizontal Spacing Equal. The software automatically adjusts the positions of the objects so that the spacing between them becomes uniform. These alignment tools make it much easier to create professional-looking visualization screens. Another useful feature is controlling the display order of objects. So for example, let's say I have a white rectangle positioned behind a circle. And if I want the rectangle to appear in front of the circle, I simply select the rectangle, right-click, and go to Order and select Bring to Front. The rectangle is immediately moved to the top layer and displayed in front of the other objects. And similarly, you can use options such as, let's go back here, Bring to Front, Send to Back, Move Forward, and Move Backward to control how overlapping objects are displayed. These layout and ordering tools are very useful when designing visualization screens, helping you to create cleaner and more organized, more professional user interfaces. This is it for this video, and I see you on the next one.